What's up YouTube, ReggieTECH here, and today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing these Wi-Fi smart plugs by the brand SuperNight. So I found these Wi-Fi smart plugs while on Amazon, and they look pretty awesome, plus they double as a nightlight. So that's a pretty cool feature that they put in addition to the already really cool smart plug system. So I ordered the 2-pack, and this is how it came. It's basically 2 of these single boxes in a Ziploc bag, and it's just wrapped like that. And on the back of the Ziploc bag it has the product's barcode, I'm guessing for the set of 2 rather than the single one. And then you can see the back of each box. So let's go ahead and get this out of this Ziploc bag and we will take a look at the boxes and then we'll get into the contents. So here are the 2 boxes outside that Ziploc packaging. We'll go ahead and take a look at one of the boxes just because they're both exactly the same. So in the front of the box it says Wi-Fi smart plug. It has a little Wi-Fi symbol on this side and it says 2.4 gigahertz. That's the Wi-Fi signal that it can handle and that it connects over. And down on this side it says that it's high quality, that it adds protection, and that it's avant-garde. Up on the top it does say that it's compliant with Google Assistant as well as the Amazon Alexa. On this side you do see the brand name, which is SuperNight. And on the side of the box it tells you the installation notice that it can handle the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi signal, and that is required, and that the smartphone has to be an iOS or Android. And then you connect it over the same Wi-Fi as your smartphone, and then you use the app to rename the smart plug. On the opposite side it does give you a QR code that will take you directly to the Smart Life app, where you can go ahead and sync all of your smart device products, and that's just the QR code and it tells you some download information. On the back of the box there's nothing but the packaging, and on the back of the box you get all the features that come with having this Wi-Fi smart plug. And here's the breakdown of the features. I'm not going to read through that, but you guys can take a quick look at that. So let's go ahead and open these up and we'll see how these Wi-Fi smart plugs with the built-in night lights look. So you guys, this is everything you get in the box. You get the Wi-Fi smart plug and you get the user manual. And everything fit really snug into that little box, to be honest. So it's a little hard to get everything out. But here's the Wi-Fi smart plug, and I just propped it up on a cell phone holder right there. So taking a look at the Wi-Fi smart plug itself, it has 2 power buttons here in case you want to control it manually. And then this ring around the edge is that warm LED that will turn on automatically once it identifies that there's no lights on. And as you can see, you do get 2 outlets out of just one wall outlet, which is pretty cool. So you're actually extending your outlet's capabilities by adding 2 extra outlets to it. Taking a quick look at the manual, you do get some really good information in here. You get a lot of the setup information as well as the information about that Dusk light and the wattages and the different products that it can handle and up to what wattages it can handle as well. So here, let's take a look at that warm LED nightlight because it's a pretty cool function. So it's called an auto dusk to dawn sensor that it has built in. So when it detects that the light intensity is very low, it'll automatically turn on that nightlight function, and it'll turn off automatically once it senses that there's daylight around or any light source around, basically. So that's pretty cool. This goes along with the basic setup of any other smart outlet that I've done a review on or that has a review out there. Basically, you use the smart home setup on the app, and you basically set up the device with the Wi-Fi information, and you're basically all set to go once you program it. Then all you have to do is plug in a device to it and test it out. Other than that, that's pretty much it. At this point I will go ahead and test it out. Let's go ahead and hook this up and we'll see how it works. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and got a power strip and laid it out so we can go ahead and install as well as test out how this Wi-Fi smart plug works. So one thing that I did notice up at the top is that sensor that they were talking about. That sensor will detect whether there is light or it is dark around you, and that will automatically turn on this nightlight function. So when you first plug this in, you're going to see everything turn on and you're going to see it start to blink. That just means that it's trying to pair to something. So once you go ahead and download the Smart Life application, then you can go ahead and configure it and pair it to your Wi-Fi. So I'm going to go ahead and begin the pairing process now. Make sure that your phone is connected to the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection that you have if you are running both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz like I am. And then all you have to do is open up that Smart Life application. And once you open it up, you can just go ahead and hit that plus button up at the top right hand side corner if you've already set it up. If you haven't, you'll just go through that setup process. If you'd like to see how that process works, you can just go ahead and look at one of my other smart plug review videos where I go in depth with the whole setup and installation of the application. And then you'll just go ahead and choose the electrical outlet option, and it's going to ask you to make sure that the indicator lights are blinking rapidly. And when they are, you just press the confirm indicator blinking rapidly. It'll go ahead and tell you to enter in your Wi-Fi password, and it also gives you that warning once again that it's only supporting 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi networks. You're just going to go ahead and hit confirm once that's ready, and then it's going to tell you that it's connecting, and it's going to have a loading bar that goes from 0 to 100% once it's done making that connection. After it's successfully connected, it will go ahead and go to a screen that tells you that you can rename the device and that you can put it to whatever floor plan that you want to put it to, like your living room, your bedroom, your bathroom, your kitchen, anything like that. You can go ahead and set that up once you set up the Smart Life application. Alright, and once you've renamed it, there is something cool about the smart plug because it does have two outlets connected into this one system. When you go ahead and click into the actual app, it'll bring up this little image of switch 1 and switch 2, and you can go ahead and edit those names as well so that you can control them individually. So each one of these little buttons right here, this one tells you the measure of electricity that's flowing through the device and how much electricity is being used, which is a really cool feature, and I do like that. Then you also have the countdown feature, which you can go ahead and set for each one of the switches here. Switch 1 and switch 2, you set the countdown so that the devices will automatically turn off at that set countdown time. And then you have the scheduler here to where you can schedule when you want these devices to turn on and when you want them to turn off. And that's a pretty cool thing I like about this Wi-Fi smart plug, that it actually has all those features. I don't think I've seen that in any other smart plugs that I've done reviews on before. So as you guys can see right now, the Nightlight function is on, and that's because the sensor doesn't detect that there is a light source around it because it's facing horizontally. But as soon as I move that plug up like this, and it recognizes that there is that light intensity around it, it will automatically turn off the Nightlight function. And that's a pretty cool thing. I like that it's, not mandatory and you don't have to, tell your smart home devices to turn that Nightlight on, or you don't have to control it from your phone. I do like that it's an automatic thing that happens when it gets dark in the house or it gets dark around the area that you're working in. And then once again, when you put it like that, because it's not recognizing that light intensity around it, it'll turn that Nightlight function on. Alright you guys, so I can't really find anything that I can plug directly into it that is small enough to fit in the video frame. But we can still see when it turns on because these two lights here will turn on and you will hear it click. So first we're going to go ahead and try it out with the Amazon Alexa. So Alexa, turn on Smart Nightlight.
Okay.
And as you can see, both of these switches turned on. Now one con about this is that you can't voice control just one of these smart switches that are on here. And another thing is that when you're looking at this through your Alexa app, it actually comes as a switch. It doesn't show up as a smart plug. It shows up as a smart switch, which is a little different and it's a little weird considering that it is a smart plug. But nonetheless, it does work with the smart functions and it can connect to the Amazon Alexa without any issues. So you guys, that's just about it for this review and unboxing of the SuperNight Wi-Fi smart plug. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys liked it, go ahead and hit that like button down below. If you guys have any questions or comments about this product, as always, just drop them in the comment section below and I'll be quick to answer them. If you guys want to check this out, and I highly suggest you do, because this is a pretty cool smart Wi-Fi plug set. And I'll be leaving a link to it down in the description box below. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see more content just like this, go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.